A loss of 2.7% in Bitcoin Cash is forecast by May 25 per CoinLore. First, let's take a moment to see what the chart is showing us now. Bitcoin Cash has fallen 2.1% over the last 24 hours and is currently trading around $355.50. Time to check out today's forecast lineup. CoinLore estimates a price of $346 by tomorrow, nearly 2.7% beneath current levels. Digital coin price indicates Bitcoin Cash might dip to $350.40, representing a loss of 1.5%. Coin price forecast notes the price could advance to $358, marking an increase close to 0.6%. Another outlook from Gulf Capital Collector projects Bitcoin Cash could climb to $363.50, about 2.2% above now. To finish, CoinDataFlow expects the price at $374.68 by May 25, which is 5.3% higher than the current price. This is the top return forecast we have seen. Those were 5 analyst views for tomorrow. Let's keep going. Forecasts reviewed. Here's what each implies in figures. Based on the spread of views, the price may move between a drop of 2.7% and a gain of 5.3%. Looking at the numbers, CoinDataFlow comes out on top with 5.3% gain in value by tomorrow. By the look of it, you could make between $6 and $53 for every $1,000 you invest. By probability ranking, Coin Price Forecast holds the lead with an 85% chance of success. From the 5 independent forecasts, I've shaped a combined view of the market. The consensus projection shows Bitcoin Cash settling around $358.52. Okay, let's walk through it. The consensus path suggests price higher by 0.8%. To put it simply, your capital could likewise gain by 0.8% if the scenario holds. If you put in $1,000, the move might result in around $8 gained. According to the consensus view, the scenario has a 83.6% likelihood of taking shape. To get a clearer view, let's see how analysts anticipate the next 3 days. CoinLore highlights building pressure to the downside. Digital coin price suggests the short-term path is upward. Additionally, Coin Price Forecast expects the market to keep trending upward. Gulf Capital Collector suggests Bitcoin Cash could slide further. For the days ahead, CoinDataFlow signals further gains. Consensus estimates show Bitcoin Cash is set to stay flat, with minimal changes expected. Overall, 60% of forecasts point toward gains, underscoring optimism around Bitcoin Cash. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we can see how they performed against the market. Ultimately, the session wrapped up with the price at $355.50. Out of 5, only 2 analysts forecast the move correctly. If accuracy is the key factor, Traders Union ranked first. Time to spell it out. None of 5 predictions were within the candle's move. As far as ROI is concerned, several results were positive, with the peak gain reaching 6.5%. Here's the full recap. The complete breakdown of the results in one view. Also worth noting, crypto predictions had a forecast probability of 15.3%, $51.92 accuracy, and minus 6.5% ROI. Look at the numbers. Can you guess who performed best? Now let's take a moment to look at tomorrow's return expectations for Bitcoin Cash alongside a few other coins. Tron shows the strongest forecast at 1.4% and Bitcoin Cash ranks below. At this stage, Bitcoin Cash is compared with only 4 cryptocurrencies, but the extended view with many more is already available on my website. Before you go, support the channel with a like and subscribe if you value these analyst by analyst updates. Talk to you soon.